Look up at the night sky. The vastness above us is both humbling and awe-inspiring, a canvas of endless possibility. For as long as we've existed, we've wondered, what are those lights? Are we alone in this immense universe? The stars have always called to us, stirring questions that echo through generations. Curiosity is in our DNA, we're explorers, always reaching for what's beyond, driven by a need to understand our place in the cosmos. The dream of space travel is ancient, but in the 20th century, it became real. Humanity took its first bold steps off our planet, turning science fiction into reality. We built machines to carry our hopes beyond Earth. None more ambitious than the Voyager mission, a testament to our ingenuity and vision. Voyager 1 and 2 were our eyes and ears in places we couldn't go, built to last longer than their creators. They became our silent ambassadors to the unknown. These probes had to survive decades in the harshest conditions, billions of miles from help, venturing farther than any human-made object before. Voyager is more than a story of technology, it's a story about us. It's about our desire to connect, to reach out, and to leave a mark on the universe. It's about courage, creativity, and hope for the future. Each new generation is inspired to dream even bigger. The Voyager probes are not just machines, they're extensions of our curiosity, carrying a piece of us to the stars, and a message for anyone who might find them. They remind us that when we dream big, we achieve the extraordinary. Our greatest achievements begin with a single question: what if? Our cosmic longing is what launched Voyager, and what keeps us looking up, searching for meaning in the stars. The journey of Voyager is the journey of humanity itself, a symbol of our endless quest to explore and understand. We dared to reach for the stars, and in doing so, we found ourselves, forever connected to the universe we seek to know. In the 1970s, after the historic achievement of landing on the moon, NASA set its sights even farther, toward the mysterious outer reaches of our solar system. The challenge was immense. Visit Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, colossal worlds shrouded in swirling clouds and secrets, each more distant and enigmatic than the last. Then, astronomers discovered a rare cosmic alignment, an event that happens only once every 176 years. The giant planets would line up in such a way that a single spacecraft, using gravity assists, could visit them all in one grand journey. This was the Grand Tour, a fleeting, golden opportunity that would not come again for generations. Miss this window, and humanity would have to wait nearly 2 centuries for another chance to explore these distant worlds in a single mission. NASA moved with urgency and vision, assembling teams of engineers and scientists to design a mission that could seize this once-in-a-lifetime moment. The result was 2 identical spacecraft, Voyager 1 and Voyager 2, each built to withstand the harshness of deep space, and both launched in 1977. Voyager 2 was sent on a longer, more ambitious path to visit all 4 gas giants, while Voyager 1 took a faster route to Jupiter and Saturn, blazing the trail. These launches were more than just missions. They were bold leaps into the unknown, fueled by curiosity and the hope of discovery. Packed with state-of-the-art cameras and scientific instruments, the Voyagers were ready to capture images and data that would transform our understanding of the outer solar system. The Grand Tour had begun, and for the first time in history, humanity was about to witness these distant worlds up close. The universe was waiting to reveal its wonders. With Voyager, we answered the call to explore, pushing the boundaries of what was possible. The stage was set for discovery, and a new era of exploration was about to unfold. Our greatest journey was underway, carrying the hopes and dreams of an entire planet into the vastness of space. How do you send a probe billions of miles without a massive fuel tank? You use gravity itself. The Voyager team mastered the gravity assist, a cosmic slingshot. As a probe flies by a giant planet, it steals a bit of the planet's orbital energy, gaining speed and changing course for free. Jupiter's gravity flung Voyager towards Saturn. Saturn sent it on to Uranus, then Neptune. Each flyby was a precisely timed dance, a chain reaction across the solar system. Without gravity assist, the journey would have taken decades longer. The navigation was astonishingly precise, miss by a little, and the mission would fail. But the team hit their marks, time and again. This technique revolutionized space travel, opening the solar system to exploration. Voyager's path was a triumph of physics and ingenuity. Gravity became our greatest ally. The Grand Tour was possible because we learned to ride the planets themselves. Voyager showed us how to travel far, fast, and smart. Voyager didn't just visit the outer planets, it transformed them from blurry dots into living worlds, each with its own story to tell. At Jupiter, we saw the Great Red Spot up close for the first time, witnessing its swirling storms in stunning detail. Voyager also discovered volcanoes erupting on Io, the first active volcanism ever seen beyond Earth, revealing a moon more alive than anyone imagined. Saturn's rings, once thought to be solid bands, were revealed as countless ringlets, shaped and sculpted by the gravity of tiny moons weaving through them. Titan's thick, hazy atmosphere hinted at complex chemistry, raising questions about the possibilities for life and the origins of organic molecules in our solar system. After Saturn, Voyager 1 left the plane of the solar system, heading toward interstellar space, while Voyager 2 pressed on, determined to explore even farther. At Uranus, Voyager 2 found a planet tipped on its side, 11 new moons, and a bizarre, lopsided magnetic field that puzzled scientists and challenged old theories. Neptune surprised everyone, fierce winds, a giant dark storm raging across its surface, and geysers erupting from the icy moon Triton, hinting at hidden activity beneath the surface. Each encounter rewrote our textbooks, revealing dynamic, diverse worlds that were far more complex and active than we ever dreamed. Voyager's images and data are still studied today, continuing to inspire new generations of scientists and explorers. These flybys were more than snapshots. They were revolutions in our understanding, opening our eyes to the wonders of the outer solar system. The outer planets became real places full of surprises, mysteries, and beauty waiting to be explored. Voyager's journey changed how we see our solar system. The unknown became known, and the adventure continued, inspiring us to keep reaching for the stars. After Neptune, the Voyagers left the planets behind, heading into uncharted space. Their new mission became our first interstellar scouts, searching for the edge of the sun's influence, the heliopause. For years they measured the solar wind and cosmic rays, sending back data from the solar system's frontier. In 2012, Voyager 1 crossed into interstellar space, followed by Voyager 2 in 2018. They detected a dramatic shift: fewer solar particles, more cosmic rays from distant stars. Now there are only eyes and ears in the space between the stars. These aging probes continue to send back discoveries from the galaxy itself. Voyager's journey into the unknown is still unfolding. They are our messengers to the stars. Voyager wasn't just a scientific mission, it was a message in a bottle. Carl Sagan and his team created the Golden Record, a gold-plated disc attached to each probe, meant for any future finders. The record contains greetings in 55 languages, sounds of Earth, wind, rain, animals, laughter, and music from around the world. From Bach to Chuck Berry, from Peruvian folk songs to Senegalese drumming, it's a playlist for the cosmos. There are 115 images, landscapes, people, scientific diagrams, a visual postcard from Earth. The cover includes a map to our sun, and instructions for playing the record. The Golden Record is a gesture of hope, curiosity, and peace. It says we existed, we reached out, and we wanted to be known. Voyager carries our story into the galaxy long after we're gone. It's a cosmic greeting waiting for someone, or something, to find it. The Golden Record is humanity's hello to the universe. It's a symbol of our optimism, and it travels on forever. Nearly half a century after launch, the Voyager probes are still going, billions of miles from home. Their faint signals take over 18 hours to reach us, but we're still listening. Powered by decaying plutonium, the probes survive on dwindling energy, with engineers carefully shutting down systems to keep them alive. Every bit of data they send is a discovery from interstellar space. Voyager's resilience is a testament to human ingenuity and spirit. They've survived glitches, power shortages, and the cold of space. Their mission has inspired generations to dream bigger. Voyager proves that with vision and teamwork, we can reach incredible places. These probes are our silent ambassadors, carrying the Golden Record and our hopes into the cosmic dark. Their journey is a story of exploration, endurance, and wonder. As long as they travel, so does our curiosity. Voyager's legacy is timeless. Our journey continues with them into the stars.